Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas card snowflakes. They're pretty easy and you can use them to decorate your packages, to hang up for decorations in your house, or just about anything else you want to use them for. Okay, so first we're going to get our Christmas card, and you can use any kind of Christmas card you want. Sparkly, glittery, big or small, whatever. So, I'm going to make a round card first. So you want something round, and you want to put your circle around what you want the picture to be on your snowflake. And then you're just going to draw a round object, whatever size you want. Then you're going to cut out the circle. Make sure you don't get any pen marks on it. Circle with 2 cardinals. Then you're going to fold it in half, and don't crease it too firmly. Then fold it half a second time, and then fold it in half a third time, so you have a little triangle. And the top of the triangle where it folds is the center of your snowflake. And I like my snowflakes with the center cut out, so I'm just going to cut that off. And then I'm just going to cut around and make some designs in it. And you can use whatever kind of designs you want. And they'll all come out different. And you want to get those little, make sure you cut close so you get the little knobbies out. And that's just going to be a quick job. Then we want to open it up carefully. And there's your round snowflake. Now, for the square snowflake, it's the same principle, but you want to start out with a square. So you're going to measure your card, and I'm going to do this one, since this is a short side. It's 4.5 inches on that side. And then we want 4.5 inches long, so I'm just going to make a little mark there at 4.5 inches. And I'm going to cut that off and make sure it's perfectly square or it won't line up. You want to cut off the top here. And you're going to have just your square card. And again, you want to fold it in a triangle. And then another triangle. And I got a little too much here, so I'm just going to cut it right off. And then the third time in a smaller triangle. There's your triangle. And here's your center right here, where it's folded. I'm going to cut that off. And I'm going to go through and make some bigger designs. And you can make swirlies, squares, half circles, triangles, just little cut marks. And then you want to cut that edge off and cut that edge off. One more cut. And open it up. And there's your second snowflake. And it looks pretty on the other side too. So then, and you can make these any size you want. You can make them big. You can make them small. You can make them really big. And then, if you want to hang them up, just take a little piece of ribbon or string or whatever you have. Put it through one of the openings there. Tie a little knot in the top. And there you go. You can hang these on a big line. You can across the wall. You can hang them on pins. You can do whatever you want with them. So, Merry Christmas all.